Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD Chinese shopping app or JD.com shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to find affordable or cheap product from different store on JD Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, or Chaiyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, I've already opened up my JD shopping app, and I'm going to show you how to find products without any stress. One of the first easy way to find products on JD app is that come to the top right here, go ahead and type any product name you are looking for. So you can type in English language, and at the same time, you can as well type in Chinese character. You are good to go. So here, let's say for instance, I'm looking for shoes. Then you can go ahead and click on search icon right here. And in a few seconds, you are going to see similar results based on the keyword that you enter. The more you scroll down, the more you see product results right here. However, you can also navigate from the top right here by different category. So each of the category you click, you see different products that relate to that category. So if I click on another one right here, that will take me to another category entirely. So just like what you see right here. So you can click on the next one right here. You see another category section with different brand, just like so. These are store of different shops right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available shops in these sections right here. So everything would be based on the keyword you enter. You can swipe this way and check on another category sections right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that's going to load up right here. However, you can make use of this particular AI right here. What you need to do here is to go ahead and enter the product name. Let's say I'm looking for phones. Then I turn on this particular AI right here. Once I turn it on, then I go ahead and click on here to search using AI. Then having enabled AI, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then we wait for the result. Then in a few seconds, we're going to see all available search results based on the keyword we enter right here. Then we can go ahead and read detail about what the AI have to say right here. We can click on the next one right here. This will allow us to see more different brand of the same keyword we enter right here. This is a brand phone. This is FIFO Android device right here. Everything about FIFO is going to be found right here. Then we can also select on another brand. So there are many brands that is going to show right here. These are iPhone, Apple phone right here. And the next brand right here, we can swipe and check on the next brand right here. Then this will enable us to see another brand phone right here. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up, just like how the AI give us the result right here. It's that simple. So we can go back to the home page right here. And one more way to source or find product on JD.com here is to make use of this camera icon. So click on the camera icon. So when you click on the camera icon, then go ahead and position your product picture. You can easily snap a product picture. Go ahead and make sure you allow for limited access. Go ahead and hit on done. Then you can live snap the product picture. Like for instance, if I'm looking for this type of product, so snap the picture, and in a few seconds, allow the AI to scan the product picture, and you have a similar result right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see this type of product from different store. You can click on any of the product link right here. Then that will take you to the store sales page. Then from there, you can contact the store and go ahead and make your purchase. You can scroll down right here and read detail about the store right here. So it's that simple. You can swipe this way and check more about product picture. Then go back to the home page right here. Go back to the home page. Go back to the home page. Now go back to the home page. Go back. All right. So from the home page right here. All right. So from the home page right here, there is another way by which you can find products, which is also known as find product by category. And for that, what you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. This will allow you to see products from different category. This type of product search, you do not need to type search. Just go ahead and scroll down right here. You have shoes by different brand from the bottom right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available brand products right here in JD shopping app. You can see there are a lot of brand right here that you can easily go ahead and patronize them. The more so just like so, there are a lot of things right here. So you can also come to the top right here, click on here. This will take you to another category. This is these are electronics gadgets category right here. If you are interested in any of the product category right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in SD card category. Click on the product category. Then it will take you to all available stores that are selling only this type of SD card. Then from here, you can explore and contact as many as possible stores before you go ahead and make your purchase. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up under this category right here. It's that simple. You can come to the top right here and filter based on exactly what you need. Click on here and filter with different features, different brand of SD card you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, you are looking for Samsung SD card. Go ahead and select Samsung brand. Then you have a result of 1,200 for Samsung SD card. Click on it. Okay, and every SD card I will be showing you right here is going to be Samsung brand SD card. The more you scroll down, the more it's going to load up because the result is very massive. So if you're interested on getting of any of the SD card by Samsung right here, so let's, for instance, I'm interested in this particular store right here. Go ahead and click on the product link and it takes you to the store sales page. You can read detail about the product. Then once you are satisfied with the product, go ahead and click on once you're satisfied with the product, go ahead and click on here to start chat with the store and then ask for 1 or 2 questions about the product before you proceed to the purchase. You can see the product detail in chat right here. It's that simple. This is how to source our 5 products in JD Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to shop and import products from China using JD Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to put your link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.